Guna, are you share the screen?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I already shared.
Okay. Please confirm. Mr. Chandigarh branch, please mute your video. I already inform you. You alone keeping on unmute. Please mute your video.
Video mute डालो. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Guna, the way is just mention the from which menu it is available step by step. Okay, I'm handovering to you. All the best.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Good afternoon to all. Hello. Yeah. Good afternoon to all. Our management will develop the online spare parts claim process through our CRM. Already, we are developed the claim process through online. Same process, the spare parts online claim process. Because of previously we are doing all the parts, spare parts under warranty replacement manually only through manual. Whatever the call warranty call registered through CRM, based on the warranty calls, then whatever the replacement spare parts we are which is received physically and then verified it was warranty or under out of guarantee we are finalized. Then we are replaced to the concerned franchisee based on the physically verification.
Slow Guna. Slow up.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Now we are implemented that spare parts consumption also through CRM. So one by one, I will give the training to all. Yeah, please note out the process. Okay, first the online claim process already we are provided the menu of calls. Okay, calls same as we are now also the spare parts claims we are provided in the menu of calls in the last spare parts claim, the heading of spare parts claim. Okay, yeah. In the spare parts claim, then we are developed required fields. For example, call number, call date, customer detail, and address, then customer contact number, then product, then call type, and date of purchase, guarantee period. For example, date of purchase, particular we providing yes guarantee for heating element and tank also 7 years guarantee 10 GL model. So date of purchase here is there, and then it was reflect spare parts only. For product is out of guarantee, but spare parts was under guarantee period like element and tank. Various different warranty is there. Different warranty is there. All the spare parts. So here defined that's also here, and then remaining guarantee remaining period. For example, one product is in purchase to 2017. 2017 now present date out of guarantee. 2 years only cover the parts. So GL model, particularly GL model and Lyra model covered 4 year heating element. 7 years past the time. So remaining guarantee period also here listed. Then spare parts type, spare parts only. Then product serial number also there. Then complaint, actual complaint, whatever the your technician updated through the mobile app, actual complaint like tank leakage, element failure, here listed. Then work done, technician whatever doing the work done detail also here listed. Then parts name, which parts franchisee person replaced or our service technician replaced here listed. Then parts code, particular parts code. Then quantity, two for eating element is two quantity. Then convoy is three, four, and door board six numbers. Whatever it is, you are updated through the CRM. Here listed all the spares must to be updated for spare consumption through CRM. Then only reflected listed the consumption detail here. Then total quantity. Then approved quantity. Suppose eating element they are replaced to two quantity in the one quantity in the customer spot. You have to cross verify to that customer. They are replaced to one. You want to given approve one quantity and rejection detail also there. Rejection detail. Suppose you have rejected the that not approved means you have to enter the reason. Okay, and attachment as usual claims approval attachment is there. Okay, same product serial number, that attachment also here listed and remarks also there. Okay, then I will give the one service franchisee claim approval process training here. 1 minute. I select Muthuvel services. So in the period of January 2020, in the month of Jan 2020. So then click the this menu loads calls. So here listed all the warranty calls, warranty spare parts consumption. Here listed including under warranty and out of warranty calls also because of spare parts warranty is different. So product wise different. So out of warranty calls is also listed due to the spare parts warranty. Okay, first. So call number here one checkbox is there. Here in the call number here, click that checkbox. While click the checkbox, all the calls are selected. All the calls are selected. Then let's start the approval process here. Before that, you have to check with call by call, like call number, then call date, call registered date, customer name, customer address, then contact number also there. Then model is 15 model. Then call type. What is the call type? Field call, and then field the dealer calls. Suppose where other than product call solar, like heat pump. So all the product call types also listed here. Then date of purchase. So this data purchase also listed here. You check with the year 2018. This is for first call 2018, 2019. So here all the calls is under guarantee only here. Here listed is under guarantee only. Then spare type, and then serial number also there. Suppose they are updated wrongly to the serial date of purchase if product is under guarantee, and then serial number you have to check with the it is applicable for replacement. You have to check with the based on the serial number. So product is 2018, serial number is here updated. Okay, then complaint, actual complaint. What is the complaint? Thermostat not working. The first complaint is thermostat not working. One வந்து replaced. It is replaced. Thermostat replaced. Then stem thermostat 11 inch. Here updated in stem thermostat. They are updated warranty. Okay, this is wrong. Actually, stem thermostat is out of guarantee product. So first call here approved. Click here approved quantity. So this is out of guarantee product. So you approved zero quantity. because of product is out of guarantee. Still thermostat, spare parts also out of guarantee. But here mentioned in warranty, data purchase warranty. So you are updated in rejected reason OG spares. Okay. Then second one, tubular element failure. So Venus immersion heater, quantity one number. One number, you have to approve it. Then
enough. Two numbers enough, Guna.
yes, sir.
Two numbers
Okay.
enough. Okay.
Yes, sir. One number. Tubular
Yes.
element is number, sir.
No, sample two number is enough.
Okay. Cartridge element two numbers. So you have to approve it two numbers here. And call by call, you have to check with all the data. Then only you have to give an approval, finalize the approval. Okay.
சேவ் பண்ணிட்டு ஒன்று காமிங் குணா சேவ் பண்ணிட்டு ஒன்று
Sir,
காமிங்
இது சின்னது தான், இது பண்ணிடுறோம்.
அப்படிங்களா சரி.
Yes.
அவ்வளோதானா?
Must be compulsory updated step by step, column to column, must required. Then only able to save the data. So finally, I approved all the spare parts here. Only one I rejected the first calls only. OG spares I rejected. Then I will process the save final. So after record submitted, then you want to check with backplace whatever the approval process has. So
6 மணிக்கு முடிஞ்சிடும்.
Yeah.
ஆறு மணிக்கு முடிஞ்சிடும் சொல்லியிருக்கேன். எக்ஸ்டன் சொல்ல முடியாது.
Backplace which month you have to give
வேலை
the
இப்போ
approval?
எக்ஸ்டன் எஸ்ஐபிக்கும் ஃபயர்வாலுக்கும். ஆமாம்.
சிவா சார் மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. Oh yes sir. Yeah. Jan 20 only. I will give the approval that process. So click here.
Print.
Yes sir. Sir, here receiver இல்ல sir அது அங்க அடிச்சிட்டு. So all the process is approved only here. Jan 20.
கரெக்ட் கண்ணா. பிரிண்ட் போங்க இப்ப போவாதீங்க.
Okay. So total quantity as the print format is automatically generated within guarantee spare parts usage summary report, like franchisee name is there and address also there, concerned franchisee detail is there, so branch address also there. Then from period, approval process period, which month and detail also there. If you have the HST and PAN number detail, you are updated in CRM means here it was listed. Then whatever you given approval the online process, the generated automatically guarantee spare parts usage summary report. So we are rejected quantity, one number is there here. Approved quantity total 16, rejected quantity 1. I already rejected that thermostat 11 inch because of the OG product. So rejected quantities, one is here listed, then approved quantity 16. Then you take the printout, this copy to hand over to the commercial department. then raise the DC and deliver the spare parts process to the concerned service franchisee. This is the process of the online spare parts approval process.
Okay, thanks, Guna.
Yeah. Okay.
See how you simply deliver this presentation to all of you and quickly understandable and easily monitoring system of how we can able to reject the quantity and what is the reason of rejection quantity. Everything is accountability in CRM itself. And moreover, you no need to worry about to deliver this information to commercial members, separate Excel sheet or mail all this. Just simply download this file and attach this file and deliver the same to a commercial team. This is also accountability when you share this information to commercial members and how many days they are taken to action for this one. So everything is a transparency, everything is accountability for the, it is a liability for the commercial team and accountability for the service team. It is user friendly, and moreover, later on stage, you can also easily able to access what is the reason of rejection, what is the reason of approval, and everything is a quick process. So one thing is highlighted by Mr. Gunashekhar, that is this within a warranty spare parts analysis report, the data is fetching both the combination. One is if the FG is warranty, in such a scenario, all the spare parts comes under warranty only. If the FG is out of warranty, it's, for example, cartridge element is coming under 4 years warranty means, then this calls also will fall under this category of this report. Keep in mind. And moreover, he given a rejection quantity reason also. So all these combinations working along with this report. Apart from this, he is also identified the reason of, for example, I'm a layman, I am a new service technician, which I have not properly updated. The original issue is cartridge element replacement is done by me. Unfortunately, I update the work done is tank leakage done, which is not tank linkage, which is a cartridge element replacement. So here we can able to easily educate our service engineer, our service franchisee to update the exact work done. If the exact work done means what will happen, then the spare parts quantity you can also reject for the reason. For example, the tank leakage is done by the work done, but he update the spare parts is one cartridge element is replaced. You can claim the reason to reject for this cartridge element because it's not properly update the work done detail. This is the initial step to fine tune, to update the all the information in CRM. Accuracy, 100% of accuracy. It will give a 100% productivity and MS report for you to next level next year to analyze purpose. Okay, 100% accuracy will be given. So it is the fine tuning and accuracy. All these things is an hand of individual branch supervisor alone. It is not a service set. It is a branch level, branch supervisor level. They can themselves fine tune and bring the accuracy of updating of the mobile apps. All these things. This is the main criteria. Okay. Now, I will give one by one chance. Bangalore branch can mute yourself. Bala, கொஞ்சம் mute பண்ணுங்க உங்களுக்கு.
Yes, sir.
Bala, உங்களுக்கு mute பண்ணுங்க. Bangalore branch, you can unmute and raise your query. Anything else? உங்க back endல noise அதிகமா இருக்கு. Bangalore branch avoid பண்ணுங்க. குணா நீங்களும் மியூட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க குணா. நீங்களும் மியூட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க குணா. இன்னும் மியூட் பண்ணல குணா. வெரி குட். ஓகே. Bangalore branch, is there any query from you?
Yes, sir. Project is okay, sir. In long period, any issues is there, any confusion is there, we will contact you, Guna sir.
Very good. Chandigarh branch. Chandigarh branch.
Sanjay? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बोलिए.
Any doubt? No, sir.
Very good.
And what about Anand Mandal?
இருங்க ஒரு branch போலாம். இருங்க பாலா ஒரு நிமிஷம் ஒரு branch போலாம்.
No doubt.
சந்தானம்.
Santana Swami.
Santanam, Shanmugam. Okay, no problem. No response from them. Delhi branch.
Sir,
Delhi branch.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt from you?
yes, sir. Can we use this report for branch technician?
Yes, you can use also.
I'm asking
sir,
you.
for one
Delhi branch. Please listen to me. I'm not asking where for whom to use. Or you understand the process or not? That is the first thing.
Sir, I understand. Bro.
Okay,
But,
friend. Is there any doubt in the
but-
process? How to use this process? Is there any doubt?
No, in process, I don't have any.
Very good, very good. Mute yourself. Very good, very good. Mute yourself. Ernakulam branch.
Sir,
Yeah.
ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்காப்பா?
இல்ல சார் பார்த்தாச்சு ஒரு சின்ன டவுட் இருக்கு
அது குணா கிட்ட கேட்டுக்கோ ஃபோன் பண்ணி.
என்ன டவுட் என்ன டவுட் சொல்லு என்ன டவுட் சொல்லு.
Tell in English.
Okay, sir, if there is the spare adile CRM update in CRM, if you are updating time, the spare is not shown, what will we do, sir?
Okay, good question, Mr. Ernakulam. The Ernakulam supervisor asking if the spare is not updated in the mobile apps or in the CRM portal by branch technician, by franchisee, what is the impact in this claim process? Very good question, Mr. System will not allow you claim. Say basic because if you're not update these spare parts in the complaint record tickets in the mobile apps, then how the system will show this claim process? Then it is automatically lost to the franchisee claim.
Yes, sir.
If the franchisee want to claim the warranty spare parts claim, then he must to update all spare parts exactly what is the replacement happened for this complaint record, for this
Yes, sir.
complaint, for this SR.
Yes,
Clear? I'm answering your question now.
yes, sir.
If you okay, please mute yourself.
Okay, thank you.
Ghaziabad branch.
கௌரவ்.
No doubt, sir.
Very good.
மதுரை branch ராமூர்த்தி.
இருங்க பாலா, நான் ஒன் ஹவர் பேசிட்டு போறேன். இருங்க. Hyderabad branch. Any doubt from you?
రాహుల్ దాంట్లో మ్యూట్ ఎత్తేసి మాట్లాడండి. రాహుల్ ఆడియో మ్యూట్ ఎత్తేసి మాట్లాడండి.
சரி விடுங்க சார், நெக்ஸ்ட் போயிடுவோம். Jammu branch, any doubt? If there is not response, leave out. Let them they take their own headache, all these things. We are going one by one now. So no response from Jammu branch. Calcutta branch, please unmute and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Process I am understand, sir.
very good. Okay, please mute yourself.
Okay.
Madurai branch, Mr. Ramurthy.
Hello. Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Wait.
Sir, இப்போ
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ மியூட். ராமூர்த்தி, உங்களை வீடியோ மியூட் பண்ண சொல்லி உங்க சார் சொல்லியிருக்காரு 10 நிமிஷமா. நீங்க அதை செய்யவே மாட்டீங்களா?
okay.
எல்லாரும்
sir.
சொல்லுங்க ராமூர்த்தி.
Sir, இப்போ
இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொன்னீங்க நல்லா இருக்கும். இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்ல முடியுமா? நல்லா இருக்கும். பரவாயில்ல, முடியல தமிழ்ல சொல்லுங்க.
I already gave one franchisee example for. I already gave one advance spare some of the franchisee. Okay, and that spare he updated. That call manually I rejected. Okay, it's correct.
See, Ramurthy, you were saying about, please mute yourself. I will explain you what is the exact requirement. Please mute yourself.
Okay.
See, Mr. Madurai branch asking, without going this process, before the stage of claiming, he already given advance spare parts to the franchisee. He wants to claim the deductive that spare part quantity in this claim. Of course, you can do, but it is not advisable, but it is not ethics also. It is not systematic process also. The thing is, when you want the client, when you want to, why are you issuing the advance spare parts to the franchisee? If you issue the advance your spare parts to the franchisee, mean it should be the way of billing against the payment. It should not be the way of spare parts claim. Okay, if you encourage this one, after the audit time, if they found anything wrong, means they will take action against the supervisor alone. So please don't encourage this practice. It is not advisable. It is not ethics at all. I answered your question. Can I skip to next one? Ramurthy.
Okay, sir, I understood, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, sir,
Yes. சொல்லுங்க.
நம்ம இன்டர்னலா இப்போ ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஒரு பிரான்ச்சைஸ் செட் பண்ணாங்களா சார்? எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் சம் பிரான்ச்சைசி சோடு.
Yes.
That franchisee address is wrong. I already.
Yeah, very good. In such a scenario, if the address is wrong, anything corrections you needed means you mention this information and communicate to it@venushomeappliances.com with the current address on what is your change of address requirement through IT department. Mr. Arun will update all this information. Okay.
Okay, so group with me and Gayatri.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, mute yourself, Mr. Ramurthy. If you okay means Mumbai service team, Mumbai supervisor.
Ravi Ramaya.
Yes, sir. We understand. If we find any problem, we'll let you know, sir.
சந்தானம் உங்க வீடியோ மியூட் பண்ணுங்க, நீங்க தான் பண்ண மாட்டேன்றீங்க.
Hyderabad, sir.
Hyderabad. Okay. So okay, if Bombay is okay means then please mute yourself, Bombay.
Screen stop பண்ணுங்க.
Bombay.
Yes, sir.
என்ன உங்களுக்கு ஓகேவா? முடிஞ்சதா?
Yes, we understand. If we find any problem come across, we will let you know, sir.
Okay, fine. And next, wait. இருங்க, விஜயவாடா தடக்கொண்டா ரத்னகார். Yeah. Please tell me.
Sir, okay, sir.
Gayatri, please mute yourself, Gayatri. Gayatri.
Yeah.
Please mute yourself. Mr. Vijayawada branch.
Okay, sir.
Okay. One thing I want to highlight to all of you. The process seems to be okay. All of you say some people raise the questions, some people raise the clarification also. Madurai is raise the clarification, and Gazia, I think Ernakulam raise questions. Yeah, it is of course it is quite natural only. The initiate not able to raise all these things. The best practice is please log in your user ID password already provided for all the individual supervisor. As per the Mr. Gunashekhar say, under the call menu, under this spare monthly summary claim, everything is available. You try this one, any one of the known franchisee, at least 1 or 2 calls on the second calls like that, not current month, last month or 2 months back or 6 months back. Try this one process and know well how to operate this one. Then you try this one for the current month. It is not just an easy way to day one itself you can adopt the system. It's not easy way to day one system quickly access all the menus. You need to practice. Without practice, nothing is impossible. So you make a practice 1 or 2 at time, then come to live data, then you please use this process, and you without any without any time consumption, you can quickly approach the process, complete the process, and month end or month beginning of 5th month itself, you can immediately share this information to the commercial team, whatever the process internally, and hand over to the commercial team. Then you can quickly come out from your liability. Okay. Now you please open your user and password parallelly also and check this menu is available. Already it is available. Everything is available. Okay. And one thing just a minute, Bala sir. I completed the spare parts warranty claim process, everything. Now my question is, almost 1.5 month or 1 month back, we started the cash-free demonstration to these branches alone. I want to highlight the branch: Bangalore, Bombay, Calcutta, Delhi. Still, it is not make any single entry through customer. So don't take much delay. Don't take any much delay. Please at least fast is fast. Please at least today try and try so all these branch supervisors not made any single entry through mobile apps, their own self onboarding training. Without training yourself itself is not possible to train your downline people, that is service engineer people. So I let you again, these branches is not yet so far supervisor itself not punch any single data for their testing purpose, 1 rupees or 2 rupees. So please do it at least today. It is not too late. Almost 1.5 months is completed. Don't take much delay. At least today is a. Please wake up all and complete this one. I
One more thing, that cashless payment also you explained, sir. That also you kind of.
I already given training already given.